Unlock your informal writing, mastering collocations. Hello language learners. In today's lesson, we are going to dive into a fascinating topic: identifying appropriate collocations for informal writing. Have you ever wondered why some combinations of words just feel right? That's collocations in action. It's a critical skill, especially when it comes to crafting compelling informal writing. So, let's get started. Before we can identify appropriate collocations for informal writing, it's essential to understand what collocations are. Collocations are simply words that frequently go together. Their pairs are groups of words that naturally combine in English language. Examples include make a decision, do your homework, or pay attention. We don't say, do a decision, make your homework, or give attention. These collocations might not follow logical rules, but they are correct due to usage patterns by native speakers. Informal writing often appears in our everyday life, such as text messages, emails to friends, social media posts, and blog writing. And here's the secret: informal writing thrives on naturalness and authenticity. By using the right collocations, your writing will sound more natural and fluent, just like a native speaker. Moreover, it gives your writing an informal touch, which can make it easier for your audience to relate to your words. So, how do we identify the right collocations? Here are some tips. 1. Observe and read. Immerse yourself in English media. Watch movies, read books or blogs, and listen to conversations. You'll start to notice which words are frequently used together. 2. Use collocation dictionaries. These specialized dictionaries list common collocations, often providing examples of their use in sentences. They can be a great tool for learning. 3. Practice writing. Apply what you learn. Try to use new collocations in your writing. This will help to reinforce your learning. Remember, collocations can depend on the context and the level of formality. For instance, hang out is an informal collocation that you might use when writing to a friend. Let's hang out later, but you wouldn't typically use this in a formal report or academic paper. And that's a wrap. Remember, practice makes perfect. So start observing, reading, and most importantly, using these collocations in your informal writing. I hope this lesson helps you to make your writing sound more authentic and engaging. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find your informal English writing skills have greatly improved. Happy learning!